Hello, you are welcome in here. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change your name on NIN. See, if you have been following me for some time, you know that I've been trying to change my name on NIN and it has always been unsuccessful. I spent over 2 weeks trying to change my name. I'll be showing you a screen record of the process I took in changing my name live and direct. I'll be sharing it with you and also taking you along the process. When I was done with my name change in High Court and also did my newspaper publication, the next step for me was to change my name on my NIN. So I went to NIN main office. As I got there, the lady there told me that I need to use self-modification website to do it. I was never aware of it before that day. So I actually went to my phone immediately. I started doing it. I logged in. I registered my NIN on my phone, put in my email address, my NIN number and all that. So when I was done doing it, they were asking me for my mileage certificate and all. So I was like, let me just go home. When I get home, I'll just continue. So I went home. Unfortunately, I was not able to continue that day, so I have to wait till the next day. So the next day I logged in again to continue from where I stopped, and voila, I saw this. This is what I started seeing on my screen. You will be seeing it on my screen now, that I can log in using a different device. And funny enough, it was the same device I have been using to log in. So I was surprised that how come something like this is not showing. That was a big challenge for me. So I actually went to NIN retail shops around. I was asking them the way forward, if they can help me do it. The billing is not yet. They were charging me 20,000, one set 10,000, but you create a new NIN for me. I was like, no, I don't want a new NIN. I want my name to be changed on NIN. So I don't want to have two different NIN numbers. So he said he can't do it for me. I went to online retail shops and the person said I should pay 5,000 naira, and it was a bit cheaper for me because on the website you can do it for 2,000 naira, 2,013 naira. So I was like, okay, maybe your own charge should be 3,000. That's fair to me. So I said, okay, no problem, we'll do it together. And guess I recorded the whole process as he was doing it. I was recording it, and that same recording I'll be showing you in this video and be explaining it to you. So the process of how they told me that I have to unlink my NIN from my device. So they sent an email to NIN to be able to unlink my name from my device. It took NIN over 1 week before they replied my email. Yes, I sent an email on Friday, and I got a response Thursday the upper week. So it took them like over 1 week before they replied and they unlinked my device from my phone. So when that was done, I was not good to go. Just watch my video now. I'll be explaining to you. Let's jump into it. Let me start showing you my screen. Type on self-service. Still type on self-service modification, but self-service still works out. So when you type on it, you just allow it to load. Then you see the website. That first link you are seeing, and just click on it. So when you click on it, it's loading now. So it's not showing me this place. So this is the very first place you see. You have to log in using a browser. You can use Google Chrome or Opera Mini. Me, I actually use Opera Mini for this. Yes. So you have to log in. Logging in means you already have an account. But if you don't have an account, just click on register. And trust me, it's a very simple. You'll be seeing it, and you can register in less than a minute. You are done with registration. But I've already registered before, and I don't have that recording of when I registered. So this one is for those that already have an account. So to register, just click on the register icon and put in your details. You will see what they will take to put. You have to put your NIN number. You verify it. Don't worry, you can verify it as far as you're very sure that's your correct NIN number. Because I did my verification twice before I was actually verified. That was when I was still trying to register. So just make sure you are putting your right NIN number, and don't be afraid to click on register. Just go ahead and do it. You get error message once. I got yes, because I got error message once, and I did it for the second time and it worked. So let's go ahead. So I click on login button, and I put in my email address and my password because I already created this account before. And please note, use a password that you can remember, so that you can always put in your password whenever you're asked to log in. So after that, I logged in. You see that I have to verify my face. Yes, to be sure that I'm the one using it. So they said verification login successfully. Proceed to validate phase. Please ensure you use a plain background. So these are some of the instructions you should take note of while getting your NIN. Make sure that you read what is written there. So that's it. So I click on verify face and the thing was loading. So they gave me an instruction. This instruction, you read it very well. The guidelines: face should be centered on the camera, and you say face should be lit evenly. So you should not, if you see the way they describe it here, let your face be showing like this, not like this. Don't bend your face, let your face to be showing. Then it said keep a neutral gesture, hold on until automatic capture. Just keep your face still till you are able to capture. So that was it. So I went ahead. Then this place, they said allow media capture your face. So I click on this remember choice, then I click on allow. I actually put my face here. I was wearing wig. I think it did not work out. I was in a plain background. I was wearing wig. Just watch the error message that the site gave me. It said detection fade, face lightning is uneven. Try again. I tried it 2 times. So I now told myself that no, you have to remove your wig. So I removed my wig and tried it again, and it actually worked this time around. So they told me that verification is successful. So I now click on this, but this close icon, I click on it, and that was it. So they took me to the next place. So I click on this place. You have to read all these instructions as seen. Note that the notification requires support document. Make sure to have them ready for upload. I did never read this part when I was doing it. So that's why you should be reading yours when doing it. So I click on adult modification. Then I click on change of name. See, change of name cost 2013 error. Click on it. Then then went to continue, and the thing was actually processing to the next step. So I experienced so many errors in this part, but I will be showing you how to overcome these challenges. So click on continue. So change of name. This online that you should read. So I click on I understand. Went ahead, select option. You have to click on new payment because it's your first time making payments. Yes, so we click online payment. Then that was it. So you're waiting, payment gateway loading. The thing now showed us to choose our cards. So I have to choose cards. That's your ATM cards if you're in Nigeria. So use your ATM card, then you put in the card number, card pin, everything about the card. Then they sent a one-time password will be sent to you on your phone number or your email address, depending on how your account in your bank is set up. So it was sent. Then we put in the one-time password to confirm payment. We confirmed it. Then then they go to your transaction reference. You have to copy this transaction reference. It will also be sent to your email. So you can copy it here, copy it from your email, because you'll be using it in case you log off, in case the website closes you and you log in again. You actually need your transaction reference number. See the place you have to change your name. So I have to change my surname. I actually went to my surname. I removed my previous name and put my new name. It should be in caps. So I click on I type out the new name that I want to be bearing as my surname and click on save afterwards. So that's it. Save. Then you go down. I don't have a middle name. Reason for name change is marriage. So I click on marriage. Click on marriage, and you have to put in your marriage certificate and newspaper extract. At this point, we did not even snap it before we started. It has to be 3 MB or less than 3 MB. So the way we did it, the guy snapped it with his phone and sent to me on WhatsApp. I downloaded it so that the size of that file should be less than 3 MB so I can upload on this document. So that's how we did it. So I have to minimize my screen and went back again. Then when I came back, I made that the thing has logged me out. So I started again from the beginning by logging in. You still click on the name change. So I still click on the name change, but this time I have to put that resume payment. At this point, you see that they put select option. I click on resume payment. So that first time I've already initiated the payment. I remember I said always copy your payment reference number that you saw. I mentioned it before now. So I have to log in again using the same steps I've showed in this video. Then just that I'll click on resume payment. So I click on resume payment and I enter my payment reference number. So after I entered, it was processing and just continue from where we stopped. Yes, So I have to go back again to impute my name again for the second time. I have to impute my name again, impute the new name. So impute on it. Then at this point, now I have to upload my marriage certificate and also the newspaper publication. Remember, it has to be less than 3 MB. So I have to upload it, and let's just see. After uploading it, I got an error message again so that this whole thing was very stressful. So I click on confirm. After I confirm that the details here are correct, I click on confirm. Then I came here, click on submit, and it was processing. It was processing, and see what they told me. They said unable to verify the document, marriage certificate, please try another one. So my marriage certificate that I got from the court, because I did a court wedding, so that certificate that they gave me from court, I uploaded it. It was not, the site did not accept it. So that was a challenge for me. And see the way I actually handled it. So this idea came from the guy that that did this for me. So he said we should use my affidavit instead. So we went ahead and went back again, log in again. We changed it to instead of marriage, we now used name correction. As you can see, name correction. We changed it to name correction, and I just uploaded my affidavit that I got from the High Court. That other government ID, we did not upload that one, just affidavit. So I uploaded my affidavit. Now click on next. So I confirmed it here, and I agreed to this statement. Then click on submit. So another error message again. Null check operator used on a null value. So I said that I don't have a middle name. So that was a challenge in this particular video. It was a challenge. I don't have a middle name. That middle name was a challenge. So I now have to go back again. See the way we did it. On that middle name, we just wrote out some figures on it. When we are done, we saved it. Then we click on edit again and clean out those things we wrote, so that the website can read it. So then we now click on next, using affidavit and middle name. So click on submit, and that was it. Successfully, I've changed my name on NIN. Then I went back again. I did it on Friday. I went back again on Monday. They printed out my cards for me, and that's it. Next up is name change on BVM. Don't worry, I'll still do a video on how I change my name on my BVM. Stay tuned to this channel and like this video, share it to your friends. In fact, you will agree with me that this video was educative from A to Z. I actually showed you exactly what to do. If you have watched this video to this point, see, you need a virtual hug. I'm supposed to hug you. Subscribe to this channel. In my next video, I'll be teaching you about how to change your name on BVM. Thank you so much. Ask your questions in the comment section, and I'll be willing to answer you. I love you so much. Kisses.